afternoon, everyone. This is Mary from Linbay Machinery. Today, I will introduce you a C-channel production line. So, this is ready for running. This is now in the commissioning phase. Every production line, every machine here will be commissioned before leaving the factory. So, this is the C profile in my hand. The C profile is a very basic profile in our forming machine industry. It can be used in structural application and engineering because it can help the construction have more higher intensity and increase its durability too. And it's typically used on floor giants too. So this production line will include the decoiler and the reformer, then the hydraulic part, then the out tables. Okay, now come with me and have a look of it. Okay, so this is the start part of the whole production line. Each production line will start with the uncoiler. This is a 3-ton manual decoiler. The manual decoiler is very practical and very useful. Also, we have a higher configuration, which is a hydraulic decoiler too. It can keep the machine work more smoothly and more faster too. So it's all according to your profile and your budget. And next to the decoiler, then it comes to our roll forming part. This is one piece wire carved wall panel chain drive structure. This structure it looks like the iron cast structure very much. It increases its whole intensity for bearing this high load of work, and it can be a very good choice between the iron cast and the wall panel when you don't want a top configuration, but you still want a high capacity of the loading of work. So it's very stable and durable too compared to the wall panel, and it's very easy to maintain for later work. And the chain drive is very traditional drive mode, also advanced, so it has no elastic skid and sliding to maintain the main accurate power transmission ratio. And it can work in hard conditions like oil pollution and high temperature. And also, it's very easy to installation and maintain. It's compacted structure and less tension and less friction on the shaft of the bearing. So, and also here you can see there's a motor here. So this motor is for supply the power to the rollers to move forward and backward to change the gap between the rollers. So in this way to change the weight of the profile. So this production line can have an automatic weight change function. And these are the reducers. The motor power will supply supply the power to the small items through the reducers, then supply the power for the rollers. So after the roll former, then it comes to our final hydraulic cart part. This is a hydraulic cart. We can infer it from the hydraulic valve above the base. And this is a no wastage cart, which is very favorable to our business too. The hydraulic cart can make the cutting surface more smooth, no burrs, and more flat. Also, it will equipped with a separate motor to supply the power of it. This is called the flying cart. It can cut the profile without pause. So in this way, to increase the whole production efficiency. So this entire production line speed can reach to 15 millimeters per minute. So you can see the whole production line, the configuration is normal, but it's all customized to our customers' profile and requirement. You can tell us your profile and your budget. We will make the plan to meet your need. And also, at the final, you may be worried about the commission of the machine. There's no worry for that. We will debug the machine before leaving the factory, and we will offer you the manual of use and the installation videos also. So our after-sales service is always online for you too. And the warranty time for you is 5 years for the motor and 2 years for the whole line. And a lifetime after-sales service too. So if you have any questions, please be free to ask us. And if you are interested in our machines, please subscribe our channel for our further cooperation. So that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.